the iPhone 12. That wasn't smooth. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So we do indeed have the iPhone 12 in front of us. I tried to do the intro like as smooth as I could do that. I'm nailing that. Of course, now I could do it, no problem. Whatever. So yes, iPhone 12 is here, so naturally, one of my favorite unboxings of the year, we're gonna unbox it. It's kind of self-explanatory, the iPhone 12 in the black color. I'm super curious to see what this one looks like compared to the 12 Pro, so let's get into it. Quick look at the box, you will see an outline of what the front of the iPhone 12 looks like, along with the nice little, I don't know what you call that, but like little ripple design that's been very reminiscent of the iPhone 12 launch. Reminiscent? Representative, I think is the word. Anyway, on the side, you will see iPhone. On the other side, also iPhone. Apple logo on the bottom, Apple logo on top. Of course, your information on the back, but we do have a little tab here to get us started with the uncellophaning. So let's do it. Boom. The iPhone 12 has been uncellophaned, and now it is time for the reveal. Let's see if I could do this smoothly. There it is, the iPhone 12. I actually love that color. Wow, man. And then the matte sides, oh, you know, I really do kind of wish this was the design of the 12 Pro. I get it, the 12 Pro is supposed to look really fancy, really premium, but the black and the matte finishes right off the bat, I'm loving it. But before we go any further with the actual iPhone 12 itself, let's see what else comes in the box. Also in the box, designed by Apple in California, we have a little information packet here with your SIM card ejection tool. Also, your safety, regulatory, warranty, handling kind of information right there. Also, your Apple sticker. So one Apple sticker this year instead of two, but at least we still get it. Apple sticker, and that's it. Very minimal. You'll notice that the entire setup is a lot more minimal this year. No wall adapter contributing to the very low profile of the phones themselves, but also, instead of a wall adapter, well, not instead, but even though no wall adapter, also in the box you do get this. This is your USB-C to Lightning cable. If we undo this, 3 feet. USB-C to Lightning cable, and that is literally it. That is all that comes in the box. That's it. But let's pay closer attention to the iPhone 12. Ooh, I love that. Those matte black sides, baby. Speaking my language. We do have a paper kind of covering, waxy kind of paper covering instead of cellophane on the iPhone 12 to remove. So let's do that. Love it. Feels so good, those square edges. Ooh, finally, we have square edges back on the iPhone 12. Oh, I feel like I could sleep better at night now. But first impressions, I love it. I love the square edges. It's bringing me right back to the iPhone 5 era where I loved the design of that phone the most, probably ever. And so it feels similar to that, but we have a couple things going on here. You'll notice on the left side, you have your volume up, volume down buttons along with your vibrate mode or silence toggle right there, along with your SIM card area on the bottom. On the other side, you'll notice your power button. I think this is like a 5G antenna right there, so some kind of the antenna system right there. Nothing on top, and just your mic inputs, your speaker on the bottom, along with your Lightning port. And then on the back, of course, your very minimal Apple logo with nothing else there, and your camera housing, which is still lifted, so it's still not flush with the body of the phone itself. I don't get that, but at least it's there, I guess. Not as bad as it's been in the past, and certainly not as bad as it is on other phones, but still a camera bump nonetheless. It also has a matte finish there that I like. So 2 lenses and your flash. And I don't know if you could see this yet or not, but woo! This thing is a fingerprint magnet. Fingerprints all over the device and I barely even handled it. But you are using this with your hands, that's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna say it, right off the bat, I prefer these matte black finished sides. I think that is just so cool. Again, size I wish the iPhone 12 Pro had instead. So yeah, man, that matte black finish, so sexy. But let's turn this puppy on. The Apple logo. Hello. Whoa, almost dropped it. And we are in. Little bit of setup here that we're gonna do, but I'm not gonna bore you with this. I'm gonna use the magic of editing, snap my fingers, it's all gonna be done. Check this out, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's set up. The iPhone 12 set up on this channel for the first time. Oh my gosh, this thing is gonna be so much fun to test out. I'm gonna put the camera to the test, the performance to the test, everything to the test. If you guys are interested in finding out more about the iPhone 12 or just to snag one for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone12, bmac.link/iPhone12, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. If you do not want to miss out on what I have to say about this bad boy right here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get that alert when the review for this thing drops. And with that having been said, it's time to go test it. But maybe first I'll rub the sides a little bit. That matte finish, man, I'm telling you. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, that black on black, baby. Let's go.